Morning. Today we are going to discuss about progressions chapter లో ఉన్నటువంటి arithmetic progression AP. సో జనరల్గా ఏపీ అనేది ఒక సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్. ఇది ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఒక లీస్ట్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ ఎవ్రీ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ యాడింగ్ విత్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్. ద ఫిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్ని మనం ఇక్కడ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటాం. సో జనరల్గా when we are writing the AP, general form is a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d comma so on comma a plus n minus 1 into d. So when you going to write, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, this is the nth term. So when you are going to observe, so when the second term is first d, 1d, third term is 2d, fourth term is 3d. So the numbering is less 1. So here n means what? N minus 1. So that's why a plus n minus 1 into d. So you can observe any number in this list of numbers except the first. Every number is adding with a fixed number to its preceding number. That's why this type of series is known as a arithmetic series. Okay, in arithmetic series there are different questions they will asking, but it is in progression chapter. This topic is very important because 60% of portion in this chapter only the arithmetic progression, remaining 30 to 40% geometric progression. So ఈ రోజు మనం ఈ arithmetic progression గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం. So generally they will asking the questions. The first framing question is check whether AP or not. So when we are declared it is AP or not, when that series numbers, any two successive numbers, any two consecutive numbers, the common difference should be the same, then we can say that is in AP, otherwise it is not. Okay, let us see, and I will give one example for you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the list of numbers. They can't declare it is AP or not. We are going to declare it is AP. How do we are going to declare it is AP? Let us see here. The first term is A1. The second term is A2. The third term is A3. The fourth term is A4. The fifth term is A5. So let us see. The first one is D1, second one is D2, third one is D3, fourth one is D4. First difference, second difference, third difference, fourth difference. So every two consecutive numbers. Let us see the first two. D1 is what? A2 minus A1. This point already known. Okay. And D1 equals to 4 minus 2. D1 equals to 2. Next we go for D2. D2 equals to A3 minus A2. And for about this formula, very easy, 1 2 1, 2 3 2, like that. One series, that is what? Cyclic method. 2 3 2. Suppose there 3 3 4 3. Next here D2 equals to A3 is 6 minus 4. The result is 2. And here D3 formula is here A4 minus A3. See, 3 4 3. So now substitute the value. Here 8 minus 6, we got 2. Here we go for D4, A5 minus A4, 4 5 4. Next D4 equals to A5. What is A5 here? 10 minus 8. D4 equals to 2. So when you observe this value and this value and this value and this value, all differences are D1, D2, D3 and D4 should be the. Then we are concluding here these are in the list of numbers are in AP. Okay, it's a very clear concept. So when they will asking the first concept in arithmetic progression, the list of numbers in AP or not. So how do we declare this one? Very simple. We have to find out the differences. The first difference, second difference, third difference, fourth difference. Any two successive numbers, any two consecutive number difference is common difference. We got all differences should be the same. That is what common difference. So when these list of numbers obtain the common difference, then those list of numbers are in AP, otherwise not. Thank you. So next topic is, generally in that questions they will giving about, and any two one number or d value, first number value, first number common difference, second number or fifth number or nth number. They will giving any two, but we need to find out series of number, otherwise nth number, otherwise 10th number. So the different terms they will be asking. So in this concept we can understand very clearly. Already we have a previous knowledge in the chapter 4, that is what elimination method. We can apply the elimination method here. So what were they given? A2. A2 means of second term. Second term is what? What is the formula second term? A2 means what? A plus, here 2 means 1D. So you know this one already. Next A6. What is A6? A plus, here 5D. You know these formulas already. Okay. We can apply instead of A2, A plus D. A plus D, the value is 38. This is the first equation. And the second, A plus 5D, the value is minus 22. This is the second equation. From the first and second equation, we go to elimination method. We go to elimination method and solve A and D values. They can find easily the what were they asking, like A1, A3, A4 and A5 values. So what element or variable are eliminating from this, that should be contain the coefficient. Coefficient should be equal. Okay, let us do here. Second, A plus 5D equals to minus 22. And second equation, already the coefficient should be same, no need to multiply. Okay, A plus D equals to 38. Okay, we going to eliminate, but the variable, the sign should be different. Okay, we change the sign, minus minus minus. A and A will be cancelled. So here plus 5D minus D. 5D, 1D subtract from the 5D, the result is 4D. And here sign should be same, that's why we need to add these numbers. And 8 plus 2, 10 and 60 the value. 4 will be transposing. They left only on left side D variable. Then next 60 by 4 with cancellation by 4. 4 ones and 4 5s. So D value, we got the common difference. D value is 15. Substitute in 1. So what is the 1 here? A plus D. A we don't know, but D value known. What is that? Is 15. And what about the value? 38. 15 will be transposing on that side. When it is transposing from left to right, the quantity should be changed. The plus becomes minus. A equals to 38. So 38 minus 15. So the sign should be difference. We need to difference. So 38 minus 15. 38 minus 15, you get 23. So the first term, they will asking what A1 is A. So we got A1 equals to 23. Next to A3. What is A3? A plus 2D. This is the A3. So we need to apply the value. A3 is 23 plus 15 to the 30. The result is A3 equals to 53. Next, remaining also you can solve like this. For example, here A4 A4 equals to A plus 3D. A for, what is the value of A? 23 and 53 is a 45. The result A4 equals to 68. So you can similarly A5 also, A plus 4D. So 23 plus and 15 4 is 60. So 83 the value. Thank you. So next concept is, generally it's a very important concept, which term or nth term, or what is the 10th term, 20th term. So this type of question. So we are using nth formula, nth term formula. What is that? Is A plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we have to use. This one is A1, this one is A2, this one is A3, say as A4, this one is nth term. So any term they will asking, we need to find out which term is it is, the number of term that is. Okay, first of all, A1 is A. What about A here? 3. The first term is 3. Next to difference, A2 minus A1. So here we can substitute 8 minus 3 here. So D equals to 5. We got A value and D value. Now easily find out which term is 78 in this series. Okay. Now we are going to apply the formula AN. Already you know that one is AN 78. Here A, what is the A here? 3 as A, and n minus 1 into D. D value already 5. Okay. Now apply the values in these terms, in this equation, in this formula. Okay. What is that? Is 78 A for 3. Here n value don't know, but D value 5. This 5 will be transposing from right to left. Here quantity is plus, here becomes minus. 78 minus 3. Here n minus 1 into 5. So the result is 75. Here 5 also transposes. Here multiplying quantity. Here should be division. And there left only n minus 1. Here 75 by 5. In 5 table, 15 5s are 15 5s are 75. So we left only n minus 1 equals to 15. Minus 1 also transposes. Here minus 1, when it is transposing one side to another side, the quantity should be changed. Minus becomes plus. N equals to 15 plus 1. Therefore n equals to 16. Therefore what should be writing conclusion? The 78th in this series is 16th term. Thank you. Next, how many 3D numbers are reducible by 3? Okay. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇలాంటివి చాలా మనకు రావడం జరుగుతుంది. జనరల్ ఏంటంటే 3తో డివిజబుల్ అయ్యేవి, 6తో డివిజబుల్ అయ్యేవి, 5తో డివిజబుల్ అయ్యేవి. కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎలా అంటే క్వశ్చన్ ఎలాగ చేంజ్ కావచ్చు. బట్ 3తో డివిజబుల్ అయ్యే అంటే 3తో డివిజబుల్ అయ్యే 3 డిజిట్స్ అంటే 3 డిజిట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 100 to 999 వరకు మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ నెంబర్? 102. Why? Because 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is the multiple of 3. That's why this is the first number. And second, 106, sorry, 105, 108. So then so on, last 999. Okay, this is the first starting number A1, first number. This is the last number AN. Okay, so this is the second number A2. This is in a third number A3. So when you know the first number and last number, the nth formula should be, we can write different. That is what AN equals to okay. So this is the first term. A1 is A. Here A equals to 102, and next one D equals to A2 minus A1. Otherwise a3 minus a2, otherwise a4 minus a3. Okay, then d equals to, already they declared it is ap. That's why we no need to find out the many differences, only we need to find out one difference, that is a common difference in this series. So already you know it is a multiple of 3, that's why you get the direct answer, that is what, 3. So what divisible, that is the common difference here. So here 105 minus 102, the result is 3, therefore d equals to 3. We need to find out how many terms are there, 3-digit terms which are divisible by 3. Let us see what is the nth term here. an equals 999. An equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So this is the formula. We apply the values in this. What is that is, an is 999 equals to a for, what is the a here? A we got 102 plus n minus 1 into 3. So 102 will be transposing, the plus quantity becomes minus quantity. So we get n minus 1 into 3. Let it subtract from 999. So much 7, 9, 80, 897. Okay, here n minus 1 into 3. This becomes here division, there multiplying quantity, here division quantity. N minus 1 equals to 897 by 3. Okay, we can division by 3. 3 2s are 3 9s are 3 9s are. So n minus 1 equals to 299. Minus 1 will be transposes. N equals to 299 plus 1. Therefore n equals to 300. The result is 300. The result is 300. Okay. So when it is transposing, the result is 300. Next is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms, Sn, we denoting as Sn. Sn equals to Sn equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Otherwise Sn equals to n by 2 of a plus nth term, first term and last term. And this should be, we can represent L also sometimes. So Sn equals to n by 2 a plus L r. Okay, and we can write the formula based on the terms what they given. Suppose they given 7, 10 and half, 14 and so on 84. What is the sum of this series first of all? How many terms are there here? We don't know. But we know only one concept, that is what? The first term and third term and nth term. Third term and nth term. Let us see here. This is the d. This is the common difference is d. Okay. So the first term is 7. A is 7. And difference is 10 and half minus 7. So answer is 3 and half. Means what? 3 to 6, 6, 1, 7. 7 by 2. Common difference. Next, we need to find out nth term. What is the nth term here? A plus n minus 1 into t. So this is the nth term formula. We can substitute the value. An is 84. A 7 plus n minus 1 and 7 by 2. 7 is transposing on this side. 84 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Let us see here. Here total 77 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 7 by 2 will be transposing on this side, getting reciprocal here. Here only left on that side only n minus 1. Here 77 into 2 by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are. N minus 1 equals to 11 twos are 22. Minus 1 also transposing. The minus becomes plus. N equals to 22 plus 1. Therefore n equals to 23. We find the sum of these terms, all terms. What is that is S33 equals to S33 equals to S23 equals to 23 by 2, and we know the first and last terms. 7 plus what is the last term? 84. When you know first to last term, we apply this formula, n by 2 of a plus l. First term and last term. We can add first and last terms and multiply with 23 by 2. Here 23 by 2 into, and here 91. The result is 23 into 91 by 2. So when you multiply with 23 into 91, 2093 by 2. So cancellation by 2, we get 1000 and 2 fours plus and 6 1 by 2. The sum of 23 is 1046 and half. So first natural numbers, first n natural numbers sum value కనుక మనం చూసినట్లయితే 1 2 3 4 and so on. The last number is n. Sum of n natural number equals to total number is n by 2. The first number is 1. The last number is, what is the formula? A plus an, last number. This is the formula. We apply the values in this. Sn equals to n by 2 of a1 is the first. A1 means what here? First term 1 plus the last term is n, and we can add it here. N by 2 of 1 plus n totally is what? Here n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Denominator is same. Here we should write n as first, n plus 1 into n by 2. That's it. They give an nth term form. So from this form we can find out the series. After we can find out a value, d value, and AP, arithmetic progression. From that we can find the sum of the 15 terms. Let us see. The first a1, instead of n we need to substitute 1. So 9 minus 5 ones are 5. The result is 4. Next a2, 9 minus 5 twos are 10. 9 minus 10 is minus 5. Next a3, here 9 minus 15 is equals to minus 6. So here minus 1. Next, so we need only just 3 terms for a and d. Let us see. The series AP equals to 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 6, so on up to 15 terms. Up to 15 terms we need find out the sum of the terms. So this is the a1 as a equals to 4. This is the a2, this is the a3. So we got it the first term, and we know we need to find out the d, a2 minus a1. So what is the A2 here? Minus 1. Again here minus 4. Both same signs, same number, same type of numbers, means negative numbers. Find their sum. Minus 5. The D is minus 5. We need to find out the 15th term. What is the formula? SN formula is, we don't know the last term, that's why we use general formula n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. We can use this formula. S15 equals to 15 by 2. Here 2a, 15 minus 1, 14, 14d. So now apply the values in this formula. 15 by 2, 2 times of a, 4, 14 times of d, minus 5. Here 15 by 2, 2 4s are 8, plus into minus, minus, 14 5s are 70. 8 minus 70, we got a negative result. That is what? Here 62 minus 62. Let it cancel. 3 1. Here minus 15 into 31. 15 1 15 is a 50. 1 is carrying. 15 3 is a 45. 46 minus 465 is the answer. Therefore sum of 15 terms equals to minus 465. Here the last term is 28. Sum of terms is 144. There are 9 terms. Find the first term. Okay. We can find out the value first of all. Let us see. So your total terms are 9. Means what? Yes, 9. The formula is 9 by 2 of, and a plus, what is the last term here? 28. And already you know this term value, 144. 9 by 2 of a plus 28. This 9 by 2 is transposing on this side. 144 into 2 by 9. The answer is a plus 28. And we can cancellation by 9. 9 ones are 9. And what the left here?